Hi everyone, and welcome to the Simply Stamps channel. Many of us have our favorite rubber stamp that we find ourselves using time and time again. It could be a return address stamp that you use on all of your correspondence, or maybe it's a custom logo stamp you use to brand your small business. Either way, over time, you'll start to realize that you aren't getting the same impressions that you used to when you first purchased your stamp. The ink on your stamp is getting it on different parts of the die, and it's just not leaving the best impression. So today we're going to show you how to fix that with a simple cleaning solution. All I have today is some soapy water, I have a toothbrush, some paper towels, and scrap pieces of paper. So the first thing you want to do when you're cleaning your rubber stamp is you want to remove your ink pad. When you're removing your ink pad, be mindful of how you're removing it, because you want to make sure when you put it back inside of the stamp that it goes back in the same way. Most stamp bodies have their ink pad in the center of the body, and you're just going to slide it out. And on a piece of scrap paper, you're going to stamp down again and again and try and get as much of that ink off as you can before you start scrubbing it with your toothbrush. So the next thing you're going to want to do is push it back closed, lock it in place, and take your toothbrush. Try and get as much of the water off of your toothbrush as possible. You want to make sure that it's not completely wet. Then you're simply going to take the toothbrush with soapy water and touch it to the die and brush that ink off. Now you do want to be mindful here of the direction in which you're brushing. If you brush it towards yourself, you're going to end up with ink on your face and your shirt. But if you just gently brush it away and towards the direction of the paper towel, then you'll find that all of that dye pushes down towards the paper towel and not towards you. Once you've noticed a good amount of the ink has come off of your stamp, you can go ahead and push it down on the paper towel and get as much water off as you possibly can. You can even take your paper towel and dry around the edges if you need to. And then the final thing you're going to do is just place your ink pad back in the body of the stamp. And you'll find when you place it back in that you're getting a much better impression than you were before you cleaned it. It's almost like your stamp is brand new. Thanks for watching today, everyone. Be sure to let us know if you found this video tutorial helpful by giving us a thumbs up down below, and let us know in the comments section what video tutorials you'd like to see in the future.